This is Multiplayer Gaming, powered by PubNub. In this video, we'll explore how our developers created a multiplayer brawler that is seamlessly integrated into the PubNub platform, delivering key features that improve the way you connect, engage, and retain players worldwide. PubNub supports group chats of any size. Imagine coordinating strategies, sharing victories, or just having a blast chatting with everyone in your game. And hey, you can even add new friends and keep those friendships strong using PubNub channels. Know when your friends are online or offline with PubNub's Presence feature. Send direct private messages that are not only secure but also encrypted, ensuring your conversations stay just between you and your pals. PubNub's App Context is where you can store player data like names, avatars, and inventory. Equip items from your inventory to wear in-game, like this player with their impressive collection of 4 hats. PubNub's flexible messaging features let you create lobbies effortlessly, track players joining or leaving with Presence, securely chat with lobby members, and initiate a game for all players in the lobby. It's all about seamless connections. Track your score during the game, tally it up at the end, and see how you stack up globally. PubNub ensures real-time updates on scores and leaderboards, keeping the competition fierce and exciting. Experience low-latency synchronization of player movements worldwide with PubNub signals. Your gaming universe comes alive with synchronized actions, creating an immersive and lag-free multiplayer experience. PubNub doesn't just power basic features, it elevates your gameplay with dynamic events. Whether a player dies, scores a double hit, or travels through a portal, PubNub signals ensures everyone is in the loop, making every moment unforgettable. PubNub, where gaming meets seamless integration. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible. Now it's your turn to level up your game. Sign up for a free PubNub account on our website today.